Hi, Morgan.
Hey, Morgan. Not going very fast, is he? Jason, what the heck is that?
This is a jersey for my slow pitch team.
Yes, and we have the honor of sponsoring it, Reliant Photography. Jason is an operations manager here and came to me with the proposal and like, yeah, let's do it. So I cannot wait to watch you guys play. Co-ed team, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
co-ed in year 2. So it's gonna be really awesome to have these super awesome jerseys thanks to the company. It's gonna be really fun. We didn't have jerseys last year and just a really awesome thing to have for the team.
You played on men's league and co-ed team.
Yes, I've played on
Which
both.
one do you prefer?
Definitely co-ed. It's just more
Why?
fun and chill. Cause,
Less egos?
well, I don't wanna, yeah. Let's just say the co-ed players have a lot more fun and the men's players maybe take it a little too seriously sometimes. So,
Okay.
and I like being able to play with everybody no matter who you are. So,
Yeah.
co-ed team's the way to go.
Awesome. Well, can't wait to check out a few games.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for helping us out.
All right.